Trish, what's our resilience tip for today?
Resilience tip is boundaries.
Okay, what does that mean?
All right, so when you have boundaries, there are certain values in your life that you don't compromise. And that might be to do with your ethics, to do with the people that you love. Some boundaries are flexible, like when we talked about being a palm tree, that's fine. But other times, when you're under pressure, you can be under pressure to compromise your values. And you've got to know what you can compromise on and what you can't.
So the line in the sand is what you're saying. Where's your metaphorical line in the sand?
Yep, and it'll be different in different circumstances, but there are some values that are absolute and others that you can have a bit more grace around.
Awesome. Thanks for that. That's fantastic. Have a great day.